Hey guys, it's me, Houdini Gamer, but you can call me Astonished, and today, welcome to my first episode of my unboxing series. And today, I got something a little special. It's a Marvel Legends Scarlet Spider. You may know the Marvel Legends. This one is part of the Rhino series, and it was a gift from my friend Double C. Special shout out to him. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, so don't subscribe. But if he does get one, do subscribe. Just for clarity. And I think that this is Earth 616 Scarlet Spider. Like, look. You know what? I'm gonna switch it to the. Look, right here you see the red, blue. Those. And this is probably Ben Riley, you know, because I have a comic book somewhere, but I'm gonna show you some other time, or maybe not. And here are two rhino heads, one screaming at the top of his lungs, and one that's just looking like, ooh, I'm so sad, I'm so spooky sad. Anyway, it has changeable hands. It has a flip, a grabby hand, and a fist. I'll get to unboxing. I'm moving it very carefully. I don't want to lose the beautiful package. Alright, so here we go. So here we are. Ben Riley, Scarlet Spider. If my little brother sees this, he's gonna destroy this guy. So I'm gonna keep it a secret. It'll be our little secret. Don't tell nobody. Okay, so look at this guy. He looks so cool. I mean, look. He bends. Look at that. He bends. It's like he's standing at the top of a building and just looking down and rain coming. I'll be right back. And he has a hoodie right here. It would have been cool if he could like that, like a hood, like Robin or something. I don't know. Anyway, with oh look, he bends like this. Like I could put look, whoa, Matrix style, like under a laser beam, and like look. Imagine this is a laser. Ooh, like a boss. Oh, here are the rhino heads. I'm gonna show you the normal one. Honestly, you wouldn't believe it, but his head is kind of rough. Like, the texture is just amazing. And here we have like the crazy eye version, like. So I'm gonna put these back. Oh man, such beautiful packaging, so beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put him back and whatnot. So anyway, Star Wars has come out. I haven't seen it though. All the tickets were sold out before I even got a chance to actually pick one. So without further ado, bye.